Hey, do you like to craft on a budget? Do some DIYs, crafting, doesn't cost you very much? You're gonna love today's show. So, if you don't have Dollar Tree stuff, you can use toilet paper. Taking an old sweater, I got it from the Salvation Army. Now this is a nice sweater, but I'm a hot mama. I don't like roasting in a sweater, so I'm never gonna wear it. So today, it's a pumpkin. Let's go. Today's challenge is brought to you by Sandy McKenzie, the LumberMill, and it's the first time I'm co-hosting. It's the first time Melissa is having a co-host, so I'm pretty excited. So we are going to do a K.I.S.S challenge today. She does it every second Sunday of the month. Next one is November 8th. You need to participate. It's an open invite, and let's do this together. So today it's a K.I.S.S challenge. It's not It's not the rock band. It's Keep It Simple Sunday. Sunday. Thought I was going to say something else, didn't you? So Keep It Simple Sunday. The world is in turmoil. Everything's upside down. Let's just craft, take a breath, and take some downtime and enjoy doing some creations. The host of this challenge is Melissa Makes It DIY. You need to go check her out. She is so close to being 500 subs. Let's put her over the top. Let's make her week, and let's pay it forward. We're all here. There's enough room in this whole world for all of us to create and sell and create whatever. Like, there's enough room for all of us, and let's just grow together. I'm so excited. She's doing a great job. She has lots of DIYs. She has hauls. She's doing a really good job on her channel, and she's a real sweetheart. So you need to go sub to her. And there's also a great playlist. YouTube has changed its rules. You can't just like and sub someone. You have to watch a minute or two of their video, or your sub just gets dropped right off. They think it's a sub for sub, so it doesn't count. So you think you're going to get a notification bell. You think, oh, I'm going to get when they get their new videos. No, you don't get notified, and they don't get, the sub doesn't count for them because the rules have changed, my friend. So let's grow a big, huge, tight, loving community, and let's support each other. The world is in turmoil right now. Let's come together, and art and crafting and YouTube, it can get you through a lot. When I really needed someone to lean on and I was really sick in bed for 2 years, I relied on you guys on YouTube. I loved watching all of you's DIY and create, and it's a great, great community, and let's just make it bigger and better. Love you, bye. So today I'm going to take the sweater and cut it up. I'm going to take some hot glue. I'm going to make these pumpkins. All I'm going to do is pop the lid off and take a knife. Be careful. Just going to cut a hole. Ooh, it's styrofoam. Ooh, that sounds awful. Okay. Might have to mute this part. So I'm just gonna cut a hole in the top and the bottom. Cut this sweater. I'm gonna cut the sleeve And I'm just gonna put it inside and yeah, make a pumpkin. Like it like that, and then if I don't glue it or anything, I can just use a toilet paper. So this is a pine cone. You could use a little piece of stump. That's adorable. A little piece of wood. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And like these, I was thinking I'm gonna have to paint. Yep. Yeah. Let's just do them out of toilet paper. How cute is that? That's adorable. Look at how cute it is. Okay. We could add some jute and everything, but I love it. Holy crap, that was easy peasy. Okay, going to get some more toilet paper. Okay, so I got some more on this sleeve. You know what? I might try to make a small pumpkin. These are those baseball balls. Earlier this week, you saw me with this big ball of yarn. It's almost like that eyelash. It's almost like it's fuzzy, like it's almost like that eyelash yarn. And I got this big, huge thing from Salvation Army for $2. And I was going to take these balls, I was going to take these plastic baseballs and I was going to wrap it like a yarn ball and make it a pumpkin. or I was going to thread it and I was going to wrap this with yarn. But you saw me on my other video, or if you didn't, it's in the description above. So all I'm gonna do is take this big bejesus ball of yarn, and it was $2 at Salvation Army, and I'm gonna plunk a stump on top. It's just a piece of birch I had outside, and then I have some dried up old leaves, a little branch from outside, and there. It's like one of my favorites. And then this pumpkin beside it is so pretty. And then I'm gonna make another little pumpkin for out front. And yeah, and I'll stage it. And I'm keeping it simple. And I'm using up my supplies, I'm using up my stash. That's the nice thing about all this stuff, is I'm using up my stash. I love it. If you got value out of this video, smash my subscribe button, ring my bell, let's chat, you, me, down below. And you know what? When you chat with me, YouTube loves that, and it helps my algorithms. They put me in front of more people. If nobody's watching or nobody's chatting with me, then they don't like it.